From the surgical scalpel that is the little bird, we now shift to the sledgehammer, the MH-47G Chinook. If the MH-6 is built for slipping in and out like a whisper, the Chinook arrives like thunder. For the Night Stalkers, it's not just a heavy-lift helicopter, it's the cavalry, and it always shows up. The MH-47G Chinook is not just a larger helicopter, it's a completely different class of warfare machine, tailored from the ground up to meet the unrelenting demands of the 160th SOAR. Based on the battle-proven CH-47 airframe, the MH-47G is engineered specifically for long-range, high-risk special operations missions. It excels in scenarios where distance, payload, and sheer resilience are the critical variables. When the Night Stalkers need to move an entire platoon of special operators deep into enemy territory, along with their vehicles, gear, and fire support, often under the cover of night and with zero margin for error, the MH-47G is the answer. What makes it indispensable is its ability to go farther and carry more than any other helicopter in the US Army inventory. Fitted with in-flight aerial refueling capability, the MH-47G can fly hundreds of miles without touching down. At the core of Chinook's prowess are two Honeywell T55 GA714A turboshaft engines, each pumping out roughly 4,733 shaft horsepower. This immense power drives the helicopter's distinctive tandem rotor system, which not only allows for exceptional lift and stability, but also eliminates the need for a tail rotor, freeing up more power for hauling troops and gear into the fight. And hauling is what it does best. The MH-47G can carry up to 24 fully loaded operators inside its cavernous bay, or sling-load heavy equipment and vehicles externally, even in extreme weather or high-altitude environments, where most helicopters would be grounded. That ability proved invaluable in Afghanistan's mountainous terrains, where landing zones are often small, uneven, and surrounded by vertical rock. In those conditions, lift is life, and the Chinook has it in spades. Equally impressive is its endurance. Fitted with extended-range fuel tanks and an advanced aerial refueling probe, the MH-47G can fly mission profiles exceeding 400 miles without ever landing. And thanks to its advanced digital avionics suite, including a common avionics architecture system, radar warning receivers, and multi-mode radar for terrain-following flight, the aircraft can operate low and fast, hugging the ground at night or through inclement weather with a level of confidence few other platforms can match. While the MH-47G Chinook's size and range make it the go-to workhorse for deep penetration missions, those same qualities make it a prime target. That's why the Night Stalker's version isn't just big, it's heavily armed and armored, built to fight its way in and claw its way out if necessary. Unlike its conventional counterpart, the MH-47G is outfitted with advanced defensive systems, hardened against the kind of close-range threats that define special operations missions in hostile territory. For firepower, the Chinook is typically equipped with multiple M134D miniguns or M240 7.62mm machine guns, one on either side door and another firing from the rear ramp. This all-round coverage allows the crew to lay down suppressive fire during landings, extractions, or even while in flight, creating a moving bubble of protection around the aircraft. Beyond kinetic force, the MH-47G is loaded with electronic survivability features. Its defensive suite includes radar and missile warning receivers, infrared countermeasure systems, and advanced flare and chaff dispensers to deceive heat-seeking or radar-guided missiles. In combat zones where man-pads are a constant threat, these countermeasures aren't a luxury, they're a necessity. And then there's the armor. The Chinook's crew compartment and critical systems are protected by ballistic plating, allowing it to absorb small arms fire and keep flying. This ruggedness, combined with the aircraft's redundant systems and mechanical resilience, gives Night Stalkers the confidence to press forward even when everything is going sideways. From the brute strength of the Chinook, we pivot to the aircraft that strikes a perfect balance between firepower, flexibility, and stealth. The MH-60M Black Hawk.